Sasakay kami ng canoe, guys. Ayan. Kuya, are you excited? Are you ready? Gabriel! Hindi na siya gumagalaw.
Okay na.
Ayan, dito na kami, guys. Last na talaga to. Sa tapat kami nito, oh.
Windy na siya.
Kasi super windy na. Hindi na kaya doon sa dulo. Ito yun. I will follow.
Tulong na lang yan.
Ano yan, no? Mountain. Ano kaya yan? Ganda niya. Ano niya? Forma. Ganda, no? Paano yan? Para yan.
Kahit na kami yung Bombay. Ayan, Bombay na naman.
Ba't tumihinto ka, Elisha? Ayan, no? Right here. Saan ba yun? Wala na mali si ano. Marami dito, oh. Pating lang pala ng iba. Let's go down, guys. Pag tourist spot talaga, no? Iba talaga. 1 hour lang.
9, 3.
Lalakad kami pababa, guys. Papunta sa lake.
Metol. Ayan yung sabi ko sa'yo.
Bawal eh. Ikaw lang isa. Bawal ang mga bata. Hello, ito na talaga siya. Yung nakikita nating yellow. Ang ganda, guys. Look at that. Water. I know. Wow.
Yung isang side na meron.
Push mo, piili siya na. Ang ganda, guys. Super ganda. Napakaganda. Daming tao nga lang. Wow. Ha?
Tayo! Bangga tayo!
Hindi pwede ang bata doon.
Pwede.
Magbabad na lang tayo. Magbabad na lang tayo. Ang ganda. Bawal nga ang ganito kaliit. Hindi nga pwede. Ano. Kayo na lang ni Kuya. Ayan. Let's go. Fall in line. 30 minutes lang, no? 30 minutes. Ganda, oh. Iba din talaga beauty niya, be. Pag ano. Bawal malikot, ha? Baka naman kamot ka ng kamot dun. Maligo dyan, ba? Yung iba naliligo dito, eh.
Pwede?
Magpapatuyo lang sila.
Ha?
Magpapatuyo.
Ano? Pwede?
Kasi fresh water naman.
Fresh water to, eh. Sasakay kami ng canoe, guys. Ayan.
QR code. It's right here. I need all adults to do this QR code. If you have children with you, they will go under your name on your
Per adult daw.
okay?
Or sa iyo na lang sila, Elisha, ba?
You can put
Magsasign kami ng waiver.
you can do 3.
Ayan, tapos na ako mag-sign ng waiver, guys. Si daddy na lang. Kasama niya yung mga bata. Ayan. Hey! Kuya, are you excited?
Ayan na, last people.
Yeah.
Last one na.
18 yata lahat na yan.
Sana.
Yeah.
Rubber ducky.
And
As well.
So let's just leave the stroller here.
Be all good.
Okay. So the whistle that I put on your life jacket is used if you fall in the water or if you hear someone else blowing a whistle, join in, even if you don't know why. Make sure we sit down the whole time. You got that, buddy? Everyone's gonna sit down the whole time, sitting the whole time on the boat. And then we also can't go like this. Ready? Watch me. We can't spin like this, okay?
No.
No, we can do a little bit. We can turn our head like this, okay?
Maybe like this.
Spinning 800.
Yeah.
But no
Just
spinning.
not your legs, but that's perfect. You got it. You understand. Yep, you got it. Wow, that's a really far spin. The last thing is really close to you. You can grab it, but don't lean like this, okay? You can wait behind the stop sign. They're gonna call you onto the dock.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you. Yay, we're ready.
Yeah, that's you got it now. That's so good.
Are you ready? Hey, we're ready. We're ready.
How are you today? I've got 5 of you guys. Awesome. Even better. Okay, so I'm going to help you in. My name's Trent. I'm going to go one at a time. Okay? So in the back, it's going to be you. Right? We're going to have the 2 little ones. We're going to share the seat. Alright? He's going to be on the blue cushion, and then you'll be at the front. Yeah? Awesome. Cool. So we're going to load you first. You're going to hold it.
Hold the Ellie.
Come here, Alicia.
Okay, guys,
Oh,
so
sit
there is a
down.
river
Sit
behind
down.
you. Okay? Please don't go down it. Alright? It's got white water rapids there. Awesome.
And when we're done, we're gonna stop
You're going to come back
here.
right here.
It's okay.
Okay, awesome.
I'm
paddle,
sorry.
stay in the middle. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Don't move.
Woohoo! Gabriel! Hindi na siya gumagalaw.
Tulog siya eh. Okay na. Okay na. Stop. Nak, ako na lang muna.
Ethan, wag na ikaw. Hi! Look at that. Ate, you're not allowed to. Okay? No, standing up.
Yan.
Ayan na, guys!
Can I paddle this side na?
Is the water cold, ate? Is it cold? You touch the
Okay.
water? No, no? Uy! Tingnan mo si Pio. Nag-freeze na si Pio.
Huwag kayo gumalaw ha. Para di tayo gumalaw.
Eh, nakaano kami sa Lake Louise. Bangka.
Okay, stop po ya.
Stop.
Ako na muna. Ako na lang muna.
Yehey!
Gusto ko pumunta sa dulo eh.
Woohoo!
Ellie, don't move. Malalaglag ah.
May
Ang
cut.
lamig. Ang lamig.
Malamig yung water. Ate! Don't move nga eh! Tatakot ako baka bigla to. Dahan-dahan, bigla. Parang ano.
I like paddling there.
Ay, Elisha.
We're moving.
Look at Pio. Look at Pio. Pio is not moving.
No.
Oh, sabi ni Pio no.
No, don't move. Don't move. Let's go.
Let go.
Ellie, no.
Yeah.
Paddle ka na.
Yehey. Ha?
Doon sa tayo dulo.
Sige.
Dulo tayo.
Lake Louise. Wow! Ang blue ng tubig, guys. Oh.
Tingnan mo sa side. It looks like a...
Tin! Malapit na kami sa dulo, guys. Ang layo na namin.
Huwag mo i-drop yung camera mo.
Oh, hindi na. Ayan na, guys. We're almost there. Behave lang si Pogi, oh.
Kailangan natin bilisan eh. Para makabalik agad dun tayo.
Yehey!
Huwag tayo dun kasi may mga rock slide eh.
Oo. Ayan na guys. Ang laki pala ng Lake Louise. Oh, may snow pa dun sa dulo pala. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, dito na kami guys. Last na talaga to. Sa tapat kami nito. Oh.
Windy na siya.
Kasi super windy na. Hindi na kaya dun sa dulo. So, ayan. Oh, ang layo namin. Malayo kami doon sa hotel. Kami lang yung nandito. Yung iba ay nandun lang sa dulo. Nandun lang sa ano. Shh! Elisha ba? O, yan lang. O. So, tumubi ko kay Pip. Ah, smile ka. Smile. You want more? Hello. Hello.
Ayan, tinutulak naman na tayo ng wind.
Yehey. Let's go home. Nakapikit siya.
Bakit?
Natatakot siya.
Patingin nga. Nakapikit mo siya ba?
Oo, Pio. Hala. Hindi ko alam kung
Wala.
natutulog to.
Oo,
Bugoy.
ano ko?
Bugoy. Yung. Ano yun, yung?
May duck na ko.
Asan ang duck? Asan ang duck? Duck? May duck? May duck? Where's the duck? Asan? Where is it? You got it? You saw it? Sabi niya, I don't know.
Ang ganda rin ng bundok dun.
Roll, roll, roll your boat
Yan.
gently down the street.
Scooping up water.
Merrily, 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 life is
Nak,
but
dito,
a
ganito.
dream.
Kailangan ito yung
Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat. Kunti-kunti sumasayaw, oh. Bugoy-bugoy ka talaga. Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Sige,
Yay!
go lang.
Ayan na guys, so uuwi na kami doon. Tara na kasi overtime tayo.
Hindi, sobra pa tayo.
Huwag kayo malikot.
Pia! Are you scared of shark?
Sa baba.
Oo. Shark! Shark! Ayun na si Pia, shark! Hala, she's shark. Shark? Hala, kuya!
Ano, radio?
Ayan na guys. Tutut!
Dugo, 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 dugo.
Dadaong na kami! Tutut!
Ito yung Titanic.
Shark!
Yung Titanic, it's shark.
Let's go! Oh, we're done! We're done! Yay! Oh, look at that!
Oo na, angat yung paddle.
Tama na yan, nak.
Sa paddle.
Tama na yan. Oh, magpa-park na kami. We're done. Yeah, we're done. Oh, come on. Ako na. Dito na, te. Dito, dito. Come here. Sigaw na.
Saya? Sabi kasi.
Ang saya.
ayaw mo pa eh.
Yay. Oh, let's go home na. Let's go home na. Hindi, doon. Bye. We're going home.